Let's make some delicious smoked shrimp. These were super easy to make. All right, first the shrimp. They've already been deveined and cleaned. I just leave the tail just for presentation purposes. So I'm gonna be using garlic paste. That's gonna be my binder for the seasoning. After that, we're gonna season it up. You're gonna find all this in the comment section, but it's pretty much paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley. So mix it all in, and some New Mexico chili powder. If you don't have that, you can always just use regular chili powder. So once you combine everything, everything is really nicely all mixed together. Now we're gonna grab a carbon steel pan, and we're gonna start laying the shrimp right in there, and we're gonna lay it down in one single rows like that. So put them all together, just like so. You can put them. I used to do them like in a kind of like a spinal thing, spinal, all the way around, a spiral. I mean, but not anymore. I just do them like this, single layer, because when the butter melts in, then they're all gonna get it. It's not gonna be just the bottom, not the top shrimp. So this is my second time making these. These were like so delicious. So just like that, just keep on going all the way. If you have a bigger, pan, you could do them. You could even do it on a stainless steel pan if you like. You don't have to use this one. But this one, a carbon steel, is pretty much a cast iron in a stainless steel, to what I understand. They're combined or fused or something. So just like so. From here, we're gonna grab around, I wanna say, a stick and a half of butter. And then we're just gonna lay that all on the very top of these shrimp. And we're gonna be smoking these over cherry wood or cherry pellets. I'm gonna be using the Next Grill Oak pellet smoker for this. So just put your butter right all over the top. You're not gonna cover these, and these smoke pretty quickly. You wanna smoke these at 250 degrees for about 30 minutes. I pulled them off when the internal temperature reached 140. And the way I can tell is with a instant reef thermometer. And these were jumbo shrimp. So just let them smoke 15 minutes. This is how this is looking like. Right around the 30-minute mark, they're pretty much done. Pull them off. We're just gonna garnish with a little parsley and hit them with some lemon juice. So these came out absolutely fantastic. Go ahead and give them a go.